This is the FEELWORLD F5 Pro V2 monitor, and today we are going to find out if the V2 is right for you. What's going on, everybody? My name is Griffin Pierson and welcome to my channel. Today we are giving an honest unboxing and review of the FEELWORLD F5 Pro V2 monitor. But before I get into anything today, I must say, if you do enjoy this video one bit, the slightest amount, and it does help you whatsoever, please hit that thumbs up button down below and consider hitting that subscribe button. We are currently approaching 17,000 subscribers on this channel, so it definitely helps out a lot if you can contribute in that way. But let's get on to our honest review. And you know, if you follow this channel and you have watched my reviews, you know for a fact I never sugarcoat these reviews whatsoever. And just to let you know, I am just like you right now. I don't know too much about this monitor. Of course, I read the specs online, but I was just like you, researching these videos online before I made this purchase. The only step I am ahead of you is I actually made the purchase. Now, right out of the gate, the box, the packaging is sleek, it's nice, it feels really good. It honestly reminds me of an Apple product. Apple really focuses hard on their design, their look of their packaging. Has a nice soft feel to the box, and it has a nice sleeve. Close up here, nice box, nice packaging, wow, beauty, really, really nice. Now we don't need this anymore. But I want to talk about price because this monitor is extremely affordable and fits most people's budgets. I know it fit mine, and that's why I went with FEELWORLD. Before doing my research, I was originally going to go with a small HD monitor, and the cheapest one I've seen when it's on sale was $250, and it's smaller, I believe, than this 5.5 inch. I want to say it's about 4 inches. I could be wrong. I guess I didn't do enough research. But when I found that the small HD monitors didn't fit my budget because it's not my number one priority when it comes to shooting, is having an on-camera monitor. I felt like it wasn't necessary. I felt like I could find an on-camera monitor that would get the same job done for a fraction of the price, and we found it thanks to a social media ad which popped up one day randomly. And I think that's how most people find out about these monitors. I did my research, thought it was really nice, watched a bunch of reviews, and here we are. And just a little piece of advice. If you are going to order this monitor, please order it on FEELWORLD's website. There's no shipping and no taxes on there. It's just free shipping out the door. It's $179 for this monitor or any monitor you get on there. If you go through Amazon or B&H, you will pay shipping, you will pay taxes. So this monitor goes from $179 all the way to $200 after taxes and shipping. So $179 to $200. I'm saving the 20 bucks by just buying it on their website. And you can honestly choose Amazon shipping on FEELWORLD's website. Huge, mind-blowing. I know, I don't know why they do it like that, but you're welcome in advance.
Now, my favorite part of all, the box. Let's slide off the cover and we'll get right into the on-camera monitor. Love that sound. At first, what you get is your normal instruction manuals, warranties, and all that good stuff, but honestly, we don't even really read it. We just like to flick through it quick. Okay, read it, done. Next, underneath is our monitor. We'll get to that in a little bit. And of course, underneath that, you have your normal housing for your wires and all the accessories that come with the monitor, which are wrapped in nice bags. Your standard HDMI cable, which you could choose your size. You have your mount. You also have your hood for your monitor. Now let's get into the really good stuff, the monitor. The packaging is really nice in here, protected well. On the back, you have two mounts, one for your battery and one for, say, a transmitter. And now my favorite part. Super satisfying, but that concludes the unboxing portion of this video.
And if I had to give this monitor a rating again at first glance, I would give it a solid 8.5 out of 10. I don't know battery life too much yet. I don't know a lot of other things. Again, we'll find that out with experience, just like anything else. So, as always, if you guys did enjoy this video and you found it helpful whatsoever, and you are going to purchase this monitor, hit that subscribe button. We are approaching 17,000 subscribers. And as always, thanks again for watching, and I will definitely see you guys in the next video.